Hi family. Timer. Right in camera girl. Tick 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 tick. Tick 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 tick. I want to know here when the timer go off. Cause hello. They pudding supposed to be ready. Hello. You see my fork? It's a hot pudding. This is I'm going to show you something. So we're going right in here. And we're coming right out. Hey, boy. Pudding ready, sir. Pudding ready. Get right in, camera girl. Right in. Because, listen to me. The heat from the pudding is on. You see what is happening? You see the wetty something? As soon as it cool down, you see it? We put on the last set that we had. So, this is yet to firm. You see we have a crust at the top. We run with knife all the way around it. Pudding no burn up. Pudding no stick in a pan. Yeah, pudding ready. But listen to me. Hello, please. My timer is off. The pudding is ready. But look here. We got to let this pudding cool out a bit. So I want to talk to you all a bit. Now, I want to say something about all that I've explained. If you were using your regular stove, if it was on Fahrenheit, it would be 375 to bake on for 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's the time for it. And I'm going to link for you in the description. If you were using Celsius, it would be 190. Okay? So 190, 380, that's where it would be on Celsius. Okay, y'all? Just to confirm, just to let you understand what I'm saying, seeing that I did not use my regular stove. 1 hour and 15 minutes. And if we did not use the bunting, it would probably be 2 hours because the middle would take some time to bake. So let me clarify that. On the regular stove, be it your electric or gas, 190 Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit. Okay, y'all? 1 hour and 15 minutes. And within about 40 minutes from the start of baking, you pull it out to put this wetty thing on it. Hello, please. And hello, if you're liking this video, we are not finished. So if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Leave your comments below. Continue to share. We want to let this thing cool down because I know I want me to take out piece. I'm going to take out piece of it, you know. I could have fly or I fly low. I'm taking out piece of this pudding. Okay, y'all? Now, this is how you want your pudding looking. This is the color of the cornmeal pudding. And one more thing, I use the bread as the binding agent. Because when I'm going to do other puddings, I'll show you. I don't use flour. Well, you know, bread is made from mostly flour. But I don't use per se like just raw flour to bind my pudding. No. Why? When the pudding cool, it make the pudding too tough. So I use other binding agents. Okay? So I use this bread, economizing to show you that it can be used. I use it as the binder. Okay? Hello. Wetty something. See it here. This is the part. This is the part that has been set. Hey, hello. I'm going to use a fork because I don't want to scratch my non-stick. Hello. How are you go? I want to take out a piece of this pudding. Remember, you know, it won't be set. I just want to get out a piece to show you something. The pudding is hot and it has got to set. But I just want to take out a piece. Because we're all a family. I don't know me I get you out, you know. But yours truly, you don't know me good like that. Alright, hello. This is a serious pudding. It's very hot. You don't play with that pudding, you see? Come on. Get right in camera, girl. Because we're going to take out a piece of this pudding here. Mama. Why? Pudding ready. Papa Jesus. Pudding ready. Pudding come out. Yes, sir. Camera girl. Remember, this is a hot pudding, y'all. Right in. I want to show them something. Make that one pull out the little camera girl. Come and know them. I have to eat piece of the hot pudding, yeah? They're my family. Right in. I want to show you something. Come on. Yes, you can. Pudding fi have back in. Yeah? Who love pudding back? Comment below. Pudding fi have little crust round the edge. That when you bite it, it crunchy. Pudding fi have soft top. Na Jamaican talk, wetty something panta. Pudding fi look like pudding. Now, I'm gonna tell you a little trick. Now that you have taken out a piece or a slice, you know what happens? This will give way for the rest of the pudding to cool faster. Okay, y'all? You put the camera on me. Me and that pudding here. You see the bottom, you see the back. Hello. Hello. Put the camera on me. What's that? Man, it's good. Loki. Oh my word. See there? Pudding fi have bottom. Now bun up, pop down. Pudding fi jelly. Get right in, camera girl. Let them see the texture of the pudding. Remember, it's not cool enough. Hello. Papa Jesus. Now, leave your comments below. Loki cornmeal pudding. You saw what I did. You saw what I showed you. Now go. When things are low, when things are really low, go search your refrigerator. Don't throw out certain things, because this is a Loki. You're a family woman. You're a wife. Yeah. Loki. Debbie from down a yard. Pudding me say. Boop.